Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Mr. H. I'm a hemodialysis instructor here at a local college in Central Florida. Here's a great way to practice or polish up your cannulation skills. First, you're going to need a balloon, some tape, some tubing, needles, and a blue chuck. The tubing you can grab from a set of dialyzer blood lines, or cut this end and this end of the needle to get this tubing part here. First thing you're gonna do is blow up your balloon. Then you're gonna take your tubing and tape it to the top of your balloon, just like this. After you take your tubing to the top of your balloon, it should look like this. So your balloon acts as your patient's arm, the tubing acts as your patient's fistula or graft. Now you can stop at this step here, but if you want to challenge yourself, you can take your blue chuck on top of your tubing. Your blue chuck is going to act as your skin, your tubing is going to act as your access, and then your balloon is going to act as your patient's arm. Then you take your needle, try your best to insert your needle inside the tubing. 25-degree angle for your fistula, 45-degree angle for your grafts. Right, once you put your needles in, it should look like this. The goal is to get the needles inside the tubing without popping the balloon. Good luck. Remember, you're in good hands.